Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a review on an OBD2 device and an app review for that device called Infocar app. So as we can see here, I'm using my tablet for this. It's a Lenovo Tab 10 phone, and I've got Infocar right here. Just you have to sign with Google or Facebook, your wish. So I'm gonna sign in right away. Just gonna load this up. It's downloading the data from server, not a problem. Uh, Now I was already signed in, so but if you're new and you're signing in, they'll ask you about your car details, like about model, make, year, and displacement of your engine, like 2.5 liter or 1 liter cc, like that. They'll ask. So then here just confirm. Then you need to open your location services, so it can tell you where you are and what happened at that incident. So now before you do anything, take a OBD device which I got from Flipkart for 5 to 600 rupees. Pretty decent. It had 4-star rating and I bought it. It's working pretty fine actually. Pretty simple and nice device. So for the Kwid, the OBD port is right under. Red and green. Now red means it's getting power. Now go back to your device and go to Bluetooth settings right away, and then sorry, and pair a device. There you'll get your OBD. Now go here. Now you're just pairing here with it. Now the code for some OBD device will be 000 or 123. For me it is 1234. Just gonna connect it for you guys, and it's connected. Now go back to the Infocar app. Now go here, connect. Now I just wanna search it, and there it is. OBD. Yes, you can see that. So go here, press here, and confirm that you're connecting. And now you're connected. Now you just go, just turn on the ignition, and now I'll show you. See here. Now the driving time has started. Now my car has not started, but you see here, pretty decent. Now I'm gonna start the car for you guys. See. So this is idling time to show you how much time you're idling and all. And then you have got it coolant temperature, intake temperature, throttle position sensor, then your accelerator position sensor. These both are different, okay? Both are different. Now throttle position sensor means how much throttle you're giving from your foot, like here. If you just put it like this. Now accelerator position sensor, this is for the ECU actually. Okay, both have a big difference, okay, here. So don't get confused with both. Then you got your speed, you can edit all of this. Then you got your coolant temperature, intake temperature, your RPM, then your engine load, right there, then intake pressure, your battery voltage, then your distance, how much you have driven. This is not show you from your odometer, okay. Your driving time is from when the engine is started, the average speed after you come, then instant fuel efficiency, then instant fuel consumption. This is the default, okay. Now I'm going to customize and show for you. This is idle time. Now first of all, you see here RPM, you don't need like this actually. You go here, press edit, if you see that, and then you go here, change, and then if you see here there's a semicircle, press on that. And on for the Kwid, the highest RPM or the max RPM I think so is 7000. I'm not sure, but it's gonna keep it default. And after that, just press save right there. It's gonna now see to change the RPM is like that. You can customize however you want. And now first of all, you don't need some of this here like instant fuel efficiency, because there's another slide for that. Just remove that, delete that, just press delete. And then you don't need instant fuel consume also, because there is a slide for that also. And distance you don't need, of course, there's also a slide for that. And then it doesn't show you battery voltage, not a problem, it will show you. I'm just gonna press go back and come back again. Now it will show you back, and then your coolant temperature is gonna increase slowly. Now my battery voltage is showing now is 14.5 volt. Now if you go here, go now press only here, see this, it's at 100 almost. Now go press that maximum range and press 20, because 20 volts is the max that your car battery will give you. So just keep it at 20 volts max, or 20 number, whatever now is that saying. Now we see here, pretty good. Now engine load. Now some things will not show you, but just refresh that and go back. Now you see here, I'm going to give throttle. It will show you how much you are giving throttle to the engine and all, and this will show you how much throttle is going to the ECU, to the computer of the car, and then to the engine. And now here's the RPM. I'm going to show you. It's going to rev up the engine. See, it's there's only like few milliseconds of delay, but that's not a problem. And then if you just move it to the right, you will get this here, instant mileage. Now this you see here is wrong actually. This is not in our decimal hour. This is some other country's currency. You see there's no currency actually right now. So then you got your hood. You can just edit this right here. No, hood setting. Sorry if it's bright. Now if you press here red, you can make so mine is, I'm just going to keep it red. You can change, then you get here, then in the hood you get your time, your battery percentage of your device, then kilometer, or how much speed you're going, RPM, and this kilometer. It's not your odometer kilometer, your average kilometer, how much you have driven from start. So now you can see everything works like RPM. You see here. So then there's more features than here. You can monitor your car. You're going to put confirm. It will show you about everything. You see here, like throttle position sensor, then your air temperature outside, and all. Air temperature means inside. Then your control module, voltage, and everything. Then this is the travel distance since codes cleared, means there were no codes actually, but it's still showing me that. Engine RPM is showing right there, 807.5 RPM, not bad. Oil temperature, the code doesn't show oil temperature because it's not there for the oil. The coolant temperature is 66 degrees, a bit retinue was 55, 50 starting. Then you go to driving style. You can get it for 1 day or 1 week actually. So I'm just now seeing 1 week. You can press it for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months also. Just gonna load it up. Then I think so that much. Then you see 1 week today. So here is safe, means how much safe driving you're doing, but it will show you through your driving skills. So if you see here, there's a graph actually that show you how much. So here it shows speeding. I was not speeding that much. You don't speed actually. Rapid turn means how fast you turn actually, and all. And then you got your rapid deceleration and rapid acceleration. So for then you have another here, eco. Now eco means depending on your mileage. So I was good actually. I had some rapid acceleration and all, and fuel efficiency because I used a lot of AC here and there, so it became decreased. Is it decreased? And then you have even your driving record. Like today, I'm here for 6 minutes, and like you can also download your driving record if you need. It's for some other device, but that's a whole nother story. Then, but like I had 4 events like in 1 week, like about rapid acceleration, rapid deceleration. I'm just gonna show you guys. Just gonna cover that. 1 minute. Just gonna load. Yeah. If you see here, The location, if you see, is not actually showing. Yeah, not showing. Here I had a rapid deacceleration because one car tried to merge from one lane into my lane, so I had to brake suddenly. And this is the car's RPM and speed, then torque position sensor and our engine load. So suddenly it was up, then degrees suddenly, if you see there. Then if there's detail also, they'll tell you and how much second. It was for 1 second only. I was at 29 kilometer at that time. Suddenly I braked. It became to 20 kilometers. So I lost 9 minus 9 kilometers. I was. So it had at 11:05. It's before the noon, before the afternoon. And yeah, it's pretty nice car. I mean app. And I was gonna show you vehicle management. Show about your engine oil. You can edit this. Means it will replacement cycle by distance. Should be about 10,000, 20,000. It depends. 20,000. Then you got tire. If it reads that, you should see that when you change and all. Then you got battery. Around 60,000 you have to change. Is showing. And then you can put maintenance log, like how much expenses of your fuel cost, toll free, and if you do like that, to show you about 1 month, 1 week, 3 months. And now I'm going to do an engine diagnostic. I'm going to read some codes right away. You see here. Now one more thing I forgot to show you. These things. These are the instructions for those. Now confirm means there is a code by the ECU and by this device. See here, it should be green actually. Line. Now pending means there was a code but you do not take any action to fix it or what. Now permanent means this OBD device or this application will not able to erase that device. You have to go to a mechanic to solve that problem. Like for like the mechanic may have to diagnose that problem. I'm just going to read and show for you guys. So I have no codes actually. That's very good. You should not have actually. So everything's normal and good for me. Operation zero faults, no diagnosed problem. There's no confirm pending or anything. So all is good. Now if you're clear, you can just press. Now I have no code, so it's not necessary for me. But if you need, you can do. So now we'll go for this vehicle, this here engine management. Engine diagnostics. So here it will show you your engine coolant temperature, your intake pressure. It's about 5.5 pressure, I think so, pk. That's not correct actually. I'm going to edit that now if you have to edit, now you just go. And I'm going to show you my vehicle list here. I'm using a Renault Kwid. It's a 2015-16, I'm not sure. I'm not sure it's a 15 or 16 model because this is first gen Kwid. I'm not sure. And then we'll just, if you want to add, you can add vehicles, but you have to turn off the vehicle and go to another vehicle. I'm gonna do that afterwards, I think so. Then in engine, sorry, and now go to settings. Right here there's a lot of things you can do here. You got auto finish. Now you don't need auto finish actually, that is not necessary. Auto finish is an feature in this application. When you turn off the vehicle, and that time this application will turn off itself. And then you have this your home screen. It will show you which page you need. So I need the main page because I can go through all of my records, so that is very necessary for me. Then you got your main screen editing. You got like this and all. You can remove all this. Like product purchase, this is going to come down here. See, I'm going to remove this. Like, I'm going to show for you guys. Now if you're using a mobile and you are using as a dash cam, you can use this black box it has, and nice it is. Then you got set fuel price. So this is a language actually, you can set it for English. Then you got Hindi also, Chinese, Japanese, you got also Dutch, and then Portuguese and Italian also you have got, I think so. I'm not sure about that one. Then you can set the units here, liquid and distance. We are using kilometer per liter. And our currency, of course I'm in India, so I need rupees. It's right here somewhere. There's a lot of currencies actually. There's a nice selection of this. Let's see there. Just gonna find this for you guys. There's a lot of selections actually. You can see, yeah, here is rupees right there. You can see. Just press it. Let's go back. Now you got your time. Set it to 12-hour format. I'm just set it 12-hour format. Nice, brilliant. Then you have pressure. Of course, we use PSI. Then we torque use almost we use Newton meters of torque, Newton meter, and that's all. Then you can go down. You can revise your vehicle data, means whatever this device is showing for you. Now see, you can put, now for me example it's now 86. I'm not sure today is it petrol. You can put 86 here. For example, I'm gonna take for today. Then you can sign out, can delete this account from here. You can contact your developer if there's any problem, or if you have questions. And notice means if they send and do not see, then you can just click notification. Then you can rate the app. And it's pretty nice actually. I'm going to show you my vehicle management. It's nothing much. I changed like in November my oil and all. I had my maintenance done, and it's pretty nice actually. Pretty handy actually it is. And then you can, here if you see it's navigation, phone, but I cannot use phone because my device is a non-calling device. You can add here, means to directly access your some apps. Now I'm gonna like add YouTube right away. Now I'm gonna add a Wink. You can see here right there. Select that. You can add whatever you need. Then I got only that much. Now here this ECU and Bluetooth will be brown. I mean brown color, no, gray color actually. When when you're not connected to the, when it is blue, that means this device, OBD device, is receiving data and giving us, and that is good, actually Gucci. And the Bluetooth means your device is connected to that, good, and you have to. Now if you see here, monitoring. Now let's go for monitoring. I'm gonna show you guys. If I just move this here, sorry. So here it will show you my engine RPM as graph format. Very good, Gucci actually. Then my accelerator budget, I'm not using anything, so it doesn't matter for me. Then it will show you a lot of things here. If you turn the page more, it will keep going actually. But if you just turn this on, it will show you more stuff like your coolant and all. Now I'm going to show you one more thing, guys. One thing. Now see, now here's the correct format actually. Now my fuel level, it will take some time to show your fuel level, but it will eventually will. Now see, my throttle sensor has been, now see, even there is the engine load actually. Just gonna edit that. Engine load should be, just gonna give me some time. Yeah, it should be like this actually, engine load. You're just gonna save that right away. I'm gonna show you one more thing. You don't need this APS if you need, but I'm gonna do one more thing. You can edit these to make them look good. You go turn this off and go here. You can change the background color, but don't change that. It looks nice first of all. Now if I need this, I'll just go here. Like I took blue. Now what do you do? Now you see this. Just move this slider to the right a bit. Ooh, looks nice. That's dope. Now just if you need to change the title color, just change that. Damn, that's nice. So this is the APS. Just gonna APS. Look at the damn son. And then you can change your numeric colors. I'm just gonna do it blue. Damn. Then you can do whatever you need. It's your wish. You can just edit everything. Then don't just press this back button. Go here and press save, or you're gonna just lose it. See the look at the difference before and after. Looks pretty nice, dope. Now I don't need this actually. I'm just gonna remove that because it's unnecessary for me. So as you know here, you can do a lot of stuff with this thing. And my coolant temperature is Gucci. It's nice actually. First of all, everything works actually here. It's pretty good actually. Now first of all, when you close the app, you have to go back. It will automatically connect back to the device actually. You know, it's really speed at loading. It is very fast at loading. Loading time is also very less. And by the way, this app is better than the torque app actually, because the torque app looks like a mess, and this is very decent. Now I just want to connect my OBD here right away. See, now it's connected. You got two blues. Now go to dashboard, freaking dashboard. Look at that, holy moly. Now it is showing engine load. Now engine load will show you. Now the AC is off. You can see here my AC. I'm using only blower motor, and I'm gonna turn this on. This button right here. See that? Look at that engine load. It will increase slowly. Oh, I told you it was. Oh, look at that. It will go up to 50% depending on your engine load. Now I'm gonna just turn that button off, AC button, and all. Look at that. It reduced. Look at that. You should have a green light. If there's no green light, then you're not connected to your OBD device. That's very essential. Like you can see here right away. Now I'm gonna press that AC button right away again. Look at that. Look at how much engine load is going on that. Because of the engine load, the Kwid will lose some power, but that's not necessary. So then it's pretty good actually. I don't need this also. Just gonna remove that one. Pretty Gucci actually, and it's nice. Then you got vehicle management. I showed you engine diagnostics, and here one more thing. There's a graph actually, and up if you see here, there's an emirate intake temperature depending on your graph actually. Then your engine load, how much load. I just did that a few minutes ago, like a few seconds ago. Then I'm not sure if the Kwid uses a mass airflow sensor or something else, because I have not seen a mass airflow sensor after the filter, so I'm not sure about it. Then it's pretty nice actually. Just press on this floating button. Now floating button I'll show you right away. So you see that? Now that's called floating button. It will show you about eco and everything. Now if you just press that back again, voila, you're back there, back to the application. Now if you see here, like if you see here right away, this works pretty flawlessly. This only like 5 millisecond delay, but that's not a problem. It's pretty dope actually. By the way, I'm gonna edit this for you guys right away. You can just see the coolant temperature is perfect. Just hit edit right away. Now the coolant temperature, you should keep it. I'm not sure how much it can go. I'm just gonna keep it 300 degrees. I'm not sure actually, so don't blame me guys. Then you can change your. I'm gonna change my border color. So the coolant temperature, of course, it will be like green type. Of course, that's what it's named for. I'm gonna keep it green because it's perfect green. Look at that. It looks so dope and nice, and it's pretty nice actually. And now if you see here, now by the way, I'm gonna show you one more thing. Now the car is running. Now as I turn it off, look at that. All of the engine are, all of the RPMs will drop. Look at that. Go back again. See, there's barely any RPM and all. No. See, there's no RPM and anything. So yeah guys, and my Kwid name is Racer 1.0, and this button, if you just want to go and see, you can add any vehicle, but for Indian cars, your to work for this, your car should be newer than 2006 models or after that, and if it's before, then I'm not sure if it will work or not. So there you have it guys. I will be doing device review and an app review. Thanks for watching.